I've uploaded the file I fixed in Microsoft Word to Canvas and asked Yuja Panorama to check it. And so you can see that Panorama must have found some additional issues with the document because we have this little triangular symbol. That means there are some issues with the document. If it's a red circular symbol, there are a lot of issues with it. But if it's green, there are just a few issues with it. Or it couldn't determine the issues. You'll see when we look at this one that there are issues with this document, even if we don't see them reflected in this doodad over here. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Panorama indicator. And it says our accessibility level is at 66%, and there are like 4 issues. So let's go ahead and click on this, on the report. And I have 3 minor issues. And they are and 2 of those are that the hyperlink text is not descriptive. And so what that means is that when a screen reader reads source : blah blah blah, it's going to read the naked URL when we just want it to read source : Google. So we're going to go ahead and try and fix this issue. And all we're doing is we're changing the display text. And click, and actually I have 2 of those. Where's the other one? It's down here underneath the image. And they're the same link, so I can go ahead and say add change to all instances and click add fix. Alright, so my hyperlink text not being descriptive is solved. We're going to go navigate to the next issue. There's no title in the document's like metadata in the background, so we're going to go ahead and update that. Ghost you're not going to see that on the document. It's just going to be in the background data information. Ghost in the filing cabinet. Now apply, fix, and proceed to review. Alright, so it says that I have completed all of my issues. You can note that I still don't have all of my headers in this one. So in that case, all of my headers formatted correctly. In that case, you would want to download this file and open it back up in Word and fix your headers and then upload it again. But if you apply fixes here, apply the fixes, close. Oh, we're going to generate a new thing. Okay. Yeah. So some of your stuff can be fixed, and then you can download this updated document and update your headers and then upload it again. Looks like I have one minor, okay. It says I have one minor issue, and it says my heading structure is not properly nested. So we're going to check that out. And it does look like it suggests I go back into Microsoft Word and update the document. So, for example, this top header should be like an H1, and then the next one in will be an H2, the next one in after that will be an H3, and so on. But this next one down is at the same level as this H3, so it's also going to be an H3. It's not like a subheading of 1.1. If there was another subheading of 1.1, like 1.12, it would be an H4. But then 1.2 would still go back to being an H3. Anyway, I can close this out. And we know our accessibility is at 99%. We know what we need to fix. So we're going to stop right there.